Don't forget, we have AMA up there, ready to answer all your questions and concerns. And if you don't have AMA and you're interested in flying, please come and see them. They are very, very nice people. You can also do your renewal. Center stage, we got Matt Nasker flying the Yowie X7 all the way from Minneapolis. Yeah, they travel 1,000 miles just so they can fly in a little bit of warm weather.